Okay, guys, so this is your delta math on increasing and decreasing domains. Remember, increasing, decreasing, positive versus negative, all of this is dealing with domain, and domain is your x value. So you want to think left and right. Now, there are some different notations for domains. So interval notation, the y or x is greater than or equal to or less than, and all of those fun different notations. The union, so that's going to be the third one, is sort of like a comma or an and. So in this case, we have a quadratic. So there's not going to be lots of different domains. It's only going to be two, because as this quadratic, if we read from the left to the right, that is decreasing, and then this is increasing. So there's only one decrease and one increase. Here we're looking for decrease. So this is our negative infinity over here. So we know that we are going to use parentheses because you can't stand on infinity. So negative infinity. And it's going to go all the way to our turn point. So our vertex is what matters, all of our vertexes. So the max min points, those x values are very important to this. So it goes all the way to a positive 3 for decrease. And then we can submit our answer. And that's a yes. Let's see if I can. And then it shows it highlighted here. So this is your decreasing area. And then obviously, again, this side on the right would be your increasing. Had it asked for increasing, again, I would have used parentheses, positive 3, because that's the x value of your turn point. And that's going to the right, which is your positive infinity. Let's see if we get another one with a little more curves. No, we're still looking at kind of a quadratic shape. So here again, this time is decreasing. So we want to look at our max or our turn point right here, which looks like it's between 48 and 51. I'm going to say that that is probably 50 because it's a little above high, the middle. So from 50, oh, I'm sorry, look, I just did it. Remember, x values, not y values. X values, not y values. So the 48 and the 51 make no difference when we're talking about decreasing and increasing. I even made the same mistake. So we're looking at domain. So again, just your x values. Here at 3 is where it turns. So decreasing is going to go from 3 down on this side, because remember, you're looking from left to right. So from here at 0, because that's a closed circle, not an arrow, all the way to 3 is increasing. And then from 3 to 8, because that's a closed circle, it is going to decrease. Now, we're still using parentheses instead of brackets, even though it's closed circles, because at 8, it's not going down or up. It is standing on 8, and it's just done. So that should be it. Had it all actual increase, decrease, positive, negative is going to be parentheses, no square brackets. Because again, on those points, it's not going up or down. It's not going positive or negative. It's just standing there. Let's see if I can get us away from some quadratics. We'll try one more. Nope. All right. So when is it decreasing? It is decreasing again here from negative infinity until our x value, negative 5, is where it turns. So negative infinity. See if I can get us down here. Sorry. Negative infinity to negative 5, which is the vertex turn point where it would start to increase. All right, one more, see if we can get something that's not a quadratic. Oh, this one is saying increasing. Let's look at this. So from left to right, it's increasing. It's going up, and then it's going down. So this one, again, is going to be a negative infinity to a negative 5. So negative infinity to negative 5. Now, had it been a polynomial with lots of squirrely turns and ups and downs and increases and decreases, if there was another section, let's just say it kept going and it all of a sudden turned back up, that's when you would use your union, and then it would go up. If there is, at the moment, I can't think of an or. I will submit this video so it's not too long. So hopefully this helps some of you, and I will look for one that says or.